Take it out, Brayden. What we get? What daddy get? Open it. Open it. Open it. Hold on. Pull the paper back. Pull the paper back. No, don't push it in. Pull it back. Grab it, huh? Open it. What's in there? What's in there? Oh, grab it out. Oh, let me see. Hold it up. Let me see. What is it? Oh, cool. Let me see. Put it right there. Put it right there. Lay it right there. All right, grab the next thing. What's that? Oh. What's that? Oh. What's that? Oh, cool. We're going to unbox this in a minute. You ready to unbox it? What up? I got my new boy came in today, so I get to unbox. So we ain't gonna deal with all the BS. I got the headsets to go along with it, along with the key tag and a wireless charger. So I came with my new S21. So let's get started. Pop these seals. Bow. Yeah, this small box probably don't have but so many things in it. But first thing first is comes with this. Ooh, nice. Nice. Yeah. Okay. I ain't mad. Well, I don't like to take off these plastic pieces. I'm gonna have to take this one off the cameras, but this is not coming off. I'm just gonna put it in my case. So put that there. What else come in here? A little box. Lid backs. What's in the lid back? USD card. SIM card. Boom. What else come in here? That's who I'm with. I'm with the mobile. Let's see what else is in here. I need to take the other side out. Oh, maybe I do. USB-C, USB-C cable. And introducing the Galaxy S21 series. Boom. Terms and conditions. Boom. And that's all that's in this little thing. And we're empty. So let's get started on setting up, baby. I'm not gonna use put my SIM card in here. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna put it on Wi-Fi. So right now, let's turn on. No. Welcome. We're gonna start with a little English. I've read all the above. I don't want to say diagnostics. I don't too much do this diagnostic thing. I have read all above. Policy, terms, conditions. Mix. Add a Wi-Fi. So let's see if we can find a network. Watch out, Brayden. Get from behind me. Move. We're gonna do this one. And find a password. Oh, yeah, we got that. DJ. And auto connect. Now, I know I'm gonna have to from my phone that I already got right here, so it's probably gonna stop recording in a minute because I gotta do some things. But we all good though. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Since we got USB to USB, USB-C to USB-C, let's try with the cable first. Yeah, if not, I'll do Wi-Fi. No big deal.
Cool. What's that sound? Oh. Water's on the wood. Water's on the wood. Get down. The water's on the wood. The water's on the wood.
Well, we back. We into the actual restoring some backups. What's gonna take all the time is the damn messages. Ooh, that's ugly. But it's all good. I'll give it the time. So, yeah, it's gonna probably take about 10 minutes or so. At least do all these damn messages. I need to go through and start deleting some sons of guns.
Really? Come on,
But,
really?
hey, that's neither here or there.
Go that way.
Oh, so I can show y'all what came in the pack. I got these. I got this.
Come on. Okay.
Come on, focus, bite. Focus, bite, bite. Focus, bite. There we go. Yeah, got a Galaxy Buds Plus.
Come on.
Uh-oh. I'm not sorry. Wireless earbud, wireless charger, wireless earbuds. I had lost my pair of earbuds, and I think I'm gonna do this case. For my guy. Yeah, just in case I'm gonna do right here. Yeah.
Come on, girls. Come on.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a little different there. Oh, okay, I like that. When they come out. Okay. I thought it just popped down like this other one case I had. Similar to it. I'm gonna take that off. I do need to take off the camera. I don't want to take it off
Right
the camera.
here. Right here. On here. On here. On here.
Damn, we're gonna do.
On here. Look at 4 times a house. Oh. Break a bridge here. Over here. Cross over here.
Come on.
And cross this book. And cross over here. Cross
backed up.
Do this 4 times. This
And
one. Put this house. This house. One. Come on. Dude. Come on, dude. Okay. Dude. Now.
I think this is it.
Oh. Push that down. Nasty. Good. Nasty. Good. Let's go.
Stuff I gotta update. Samsung Pass and some of the other stuff.
Now.
Yeah.
Now.
We should update everything. I ain't gonna let this run forever while I update stuff, but when we get to the phone, then I wanna look at the camera. I wanna look at a couple of little thingamabobs too.
Come on.
I like
come
this.
on, let's go.
It's very similar to my S10e as far as design, except for
Come on.
this part, the
Over
back.
here.
I like how my case flats me out, so I don't have no little rockets.
Come on, dude. Come on, dude.
But I'm gonna come back a little bit later. See y'all in a minute.
Buddy.